In this video, we're going to be doing partial differentials, right? So f prime x basically means x is the variable and then your y will be the constant, right? So too, the second one means y is the variable and x is the constant, right? So guys, let's start with the first one. So obviously here I'm differentiating with respect to x. So basically I need to be checking that there's no x here, so this is a constant, and then that, right? Sharp. So now let's start. 6 times 2 is going to be 12, right? So I have 12, and then obviously I have the x squared, I need to minus 1, so I'm left with x, and then there's a y there. Now we can go to the second term. It's going to be 4 times negative 3, that's negative 12. And then obviously x is to the power negative 3, I'm going to minus 1 there, so we have negative 4. And then the y squared stays, remember we're treating y as the constant. And then this guy here, which is the fourth term, becomes 0 because it doesn't have an x, and we're differentiating with respect to x. So this guy we're not going to write anything for when we differentiate, he is gone. And then let's differentiate the last part. So it's going to be negative 2 times positive 2. That gives us negative 4. And then x to the power 2, we're going to minus 1 on the exponent. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we're just left with x to the power 1. And then we have found the partial derivative with respect to x. Now let's find the partial derivative with respect to y. We are going to follow the same procedure, but now we're going to treat y as our variable. So this, we differentiate in this part now. Ne? The last one will be 0 because it's a constant. I need you to pause the video and try it, and then let me know how it goes on the comment section. Thank you. So let's see. We're going to have, remember this is y to the power 1. So basically we have 1 times 6, which is just 6. So we have 6x squared. Remember the x squared is the constant. And then now we're going to have y to the power 0 because we need to minus 1 there. Y to the power 0, which is gone, right? Sharp. Now let's go to the next term. We have y to the power 2 that we're looking at. So we're going to take positive 4 times positive 2, that's positive 8. So we have positive 8 there. And then x to the negative 3 will remain because it's a constant. We're going to be left with y to the power 1 because we need to minus 1 from there. So we'll be left with 1. Alright, perfect. And then this one, remember here there's an invisible 1, so we're going to take this 1 times 2, which is 2. So we're going to have plus 2y because we need to minus 1 there. So it's y to the power 1. Then this guy is gone because now we treat him as a constant, the variable is y. And that's finito with this video, ladies and gentlemen. Aluta continua. Tango.